Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to link PS5 to Twitch. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To link your PS5 to Twitch for streaming gameplay or accessing Twitch features, follow these steps. Firstly, navigate to the main PS5 dashboard. Then scroll through the right and choose to click Settings. By clicking the X button on your PS5 controller. Then, in the Settings menu, choose to click Users and Accounts. Then choose Link with other services. Find and select Twitch from the list of available services. Then, we must use a scanner on your mobile phone. Then, perform the scan once you are signed in. Enter the code that appears beside the QR code on the right side. And make sure you have signed in to your Twitch account once you enter the codes beside the QR code on the PS5 screen. Then, confirm the authorization by following the prompts. By linking your PS5 to Twitch, you can easily stream gameplay directly from your console and access Twitch features seamlessly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.